Hi everyone, I'm Donna and thanks so much for choosing my video. Today we're going to make 5 easy DIY dollar store Christmas ornaments. Let's get right to it. Number 1. So the first ornament is an easy wreath ornament. To start, take 2 pipe cleaners, wrap them together and then twist them into a circle. Cut strips of fabric or felt. I'm using a roll of felt from the Dollarama and it was $2 and it would make many wreaths. Take the strips and tie them to the circle. Tie the knot at the back and then pull the strips towards the front. Continue tying strips on until the wreath is full. A little tip is to keep the ties as close together as possible to get a nice full look. Once you are done, you can trim the strips to get the look you want. I find if you trim them a little shorter, it makes it look nice and full. Make a simple bow and you are done. Number 2. This one is super easy and it's so elegant. All you need is a wood slice, and I use wooden snowflakes from Dollarama. The one I had was already painted, but you could paint them any color you like. All you do is glue the snowflake on the wood slice and then glue the wood slice onto the tails of a ribbon bow. I got this ribbon, the buffalo plaid ribbon from the dollar store, and then I tied my own bow. If you're enjoying these videos, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future content. So on to number 3. This reindeer gift box ornament is adorable. I bought a set of little gift boxes from the dollar store. I poked a hole in the top and added a piece of jute to hang it with. Add a red dollar store ornament for the nose. And again, for this one, I did poke a hole in the box and then fit the nose through and glued it from the inside. And I had extra wooden snowflake cutouts that were also from the dollar store. So I broke off a couple of the arms and I sanded the bottom and I glued them on for antlers. Then all you have to do is draw the eyes and a mouth and you're done. If you have any questions at all or comments about how you do anything with these different crafts, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I will definitely respond. Number 4. This is a simple star family ornament. The wooden stars are from Dollarama and all you have to do is paint them any color you like. I went with a gold. Then you need to add a little nose to the big star. Mine was a little wood plug that I had. Then you want to string the smaller stars by gluing them to a piece of jute. Glue the string to the larger star as a hanger. Then you add the family name, the last name to the large star and each individual family member's name on every one of the smaller stars. This is an awesome custom ornament for any family, and these have been so popular. I sold these for many years. Number 5, the final one, the wood slice Rudolph ornament. This is truly one of my absolute favorites. So all you need is a wood slice, and then you glue a red ball ornament on for the nose, and then go outside and pick up some sticks from your yard. Find some that have some interesting, quirks and crooks, and that they look like antlers. So you just glue those on to the back of the wood slice ornament. You draw the face and then glue a string to hang it from and you're done. These are just truly one of the sweetest little ornaments. And if you made a whole bunch of them, you could change up the nose on the others to a little jingle bell, gold or silver, and you'd be able to make Rudolph and all of his reindeer buddies. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. I post a video every Thursday and I would love to have you be a subscriber. Thanks so much again and have fun crafting. I really hope you try this out. If you do, put a picture in the comments. I'd love to see it. Bye!